Hey boys and girls, remember how Miss Judy said bugs were so important to our gardens and our crops that are growing? I had a ladybug, I had a butterfly, and I had a bumblebee that I talked about when I opened up my garden bag. Remember Miss Judy said that the bumblebee and the butterfly helped flowers grow because they transferred pollen from flower to flower. And I said the ladybug was so important because the ladybug ate the bad bugs that destroyed some of our flowers and our crops. Miss Judy made some more bug cards. I thought maybe we could do some bug patterns. Should we try that? Okay. All right. I'm going to start with the ladybug. Ladybug, butterfly, bumblebee. If I put the ladybug next, let me put a ladybug. All right, here's my pattern. Ladybug, butterfly, bumblebee, ladybug. What's going to come next? You're right, butterfly. All right, let's move over so we've got enough room for all. And then what will be my next bug in my pattern? Ladybug, butterfly, bumblebee. Ladybug, butterfly, what will be next? Yes, bumblebee. That's one way you can make a pattern with my bug cards. Let's think of another way. Let's try this. Bumblebee, butterfly. Bumblebee. What will be next? Butterfly, yes. And then comes bumblebee, butterfly. Bumblebee, butterfly, bumblebee. You are right. That's one way to make a pattern. Let's see if we could make it a little bit differently. What if Miss Judy did bumblebee, ladybug, ladybug, okay. And then I went back to bumblebee. Bumblebee, ladybug, ladybug, bumblebee. What will be next? If you said ladybug, you're right, ladybug, and then what comes at the very end of my pattern? Bumblebee, ladybug, ladybug, bumblebee, ladybug. You are right, another ladybug. Great, we got the whole pattern. You know, you just don't have to have bug cards to make patterns. There are all kinds of things you can make patterns with. Would you like me to show you some more? If you have colored markers or crayons, you can just make your own patterns by making dots. What if Miss Judy does green, orange, purple, and then I do green again. Green, orange, purple, green. What's going to be next? If you said orange, you're right. Orange. And then what? Yes, and then purple. That's a pattern. Green, orange, purple. Green, orange, purple. What will be next if I'm going to start my pattern over? You are right. Green. If you don't have markers, but you have some things around the house that you could use, maybe some things left over from your Easter basket. What if Miss Judy did duck, egg, duck? What would be next? Egg, you're right. And then what? Duck, egg, duck, egg. Yes, duck. All right, and what would come next after this duck? Another egg. You are right. duck, egg, duck, egg, duck, egg. You can use whatever you have around the house to make some patterns. You could even use some socks. You could make patterns with socks. Let's try one more with my duck and my eggs. What if Miss Judy did duck, duck, egg, duck, what would be next? Duck, yes, duck, duck, egg, duck, duck, egg. That is exactly right, guys. Practice playing with patterns and having fun with patterns. Bye, boys and girls.